How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy, and today we're going to be doing a deep dive into the current pricing of webcams on the internet. This is a crazy topic, but I thought I'd share my opinions with you guys in this video. And if you haven't already, leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. So let's just hop right into it. So I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but due to COVID-19 and the pandemic and the whole remote aspect, or the shift towards remote aspects of society, such as work or education, a lot of people are having to stay at home and work from there. Now, there's certain implications with that. For one, how are you going to communicate via Skype calls, Teams calls, Zoom, other video chatting services? How are you going to do it? Most laptops have a built-in webcam, but normally they're pretty bad and they're 720p. In addition to that, if you have a desktop computer with a monitor, not all monitors have webcams built in. Actually, the majority of them don't. So you need a webcam in that instance. So there's a lot of instances where you actually do need a webcam for the most part. And even me, like for having a laptop, this has a webcam, but the quality is just not good. So I use a dedicated webcam, 1080p. I think this is like an eMeet C960 or something like that. I don't know what the specific brand or model number is, but that's beside the point. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through and take a look at the Logitech C920, which is right now the most popular webcam like on planet Earth when it comes to just like the current situation due to the pandemic. And then like previous to, or like before all this stuff happened, this was also the most popular webcam because the quality was so good and it was a budget webcam. Like you get this low as like 50 bucks on Amazon sometimes when it went on sale. So yeah, I'm gonna take you I'm gonna show you how expensive this webcam has been priced on the internet. Let's hop right into my computer. Okay, so this is what currently the Logitech C920 HD Pro webcam looks like on Google Chrome or on the internet, whatever browser you use, doesn't matter. So quick economics lesson for those who don't know this. Basically, this is in high demand right now because of the factors I mentioned earlier. So many people want to get their hands on that. And when the demand goes up that much for a product, people's willingness to pay for it or willingness to buy it goes extremely up too. So at this point, companies can price gouge and raise the price an absolute ton, and people are willing to pay for it because it's in such high demand. And it's not like there's like a shortage of supply of these webcams. Like Logitech can pump these out a lot. Like I'm sure they have a giant warehouse full of these. But a lot of these websites are completely sold out because of how large the demand is, and they keep restocking constantly. So if we just look here, let's look at some of these prices that we have. So at Adorama, no clue what that website is, $90. Just keep in mind, this product before the pandemic, what was going on, was 50 bucks. At Walmart, Logitech C920, this is just the base model. They do make upgraded models from this, just keep that in mind. It's like the C922 Pro XYZ, I don't know what it's called. C920S, I think, is another upgraded version, but they're all basically the same thing. $136, and let's check out Walmart real quick. Check this out. Well, it's got good ratings, I mean, clearly. Is this even available? Look at this, 6 other sellers. No, honey. Yeah, there's a graph actually. Honey, honey, can you show me that again? Jeez, man, now it's time to buy. Look at this. At one point when this is such in high demand, $173 for a webcam? It's like, you can just buy a straight up like better camera for that price. Like, why are you paying that much? And this is $136. That's like all-time low. I would love to see like previous dates there, but I think it's in stock. I mean, last time I checked, this was sold out, so it might be back in stock finally. But eBay, 90 bucks. eGlobal Central US, $108. GroovesIncorporated.com, $194. This is just out of hand. I want to check Best Buy because that's usually a good place to look. So, no longer available. Is it? No? Can I click on it? Okay, it's not even available in whatever. But look at this, it gets good reviews. Not even available on a Best Buy. It's like, you can hardly even get this thing. Like, people are buying it everywhere. Just nuts. I question this. First of all, this is out of stock, but that's weird. 30 bucks? I don't buy it. It's sold out anyway. I think that's probably an old ad or something. It's not updated. How much is Staples charging people? Out of stock. Like you can't even get it. It's 15 megapixels. That's probably why it's so sharp. And it has like decent what's the term? Decent I don't even mic quality. Man, I can't even think. But I don't know if this offers 60 FPS for the base model, but whatever, that's besides the point. That doesn't really matter. The point I want to just get across in this video is like, wait for this to go down in price. This is way too expensive. Because honestly, even though it's a great quality webcam, you can get a cheaper one. Just wait till the pandemic's over and all that. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, check out my previous videos, I don't know. And then I'll link the College Made Easy podcast in the description if you guys want to go give that a listen. I highly recommend it. It's a fantastic podcast that me and my friends from school run. So, I'll see you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy.